In today's video, I wanted to do a comparison with regards to time value of money. We're going to compare two percentage rates, 9% and 12% to start, and then we'll add some others in and kind of show you the difference between um, each percentage, maybe every 3% or so. But we're going to begin with 9% and 12%. I'm just going to show you how to do this in Excel. This won't be a super long video. I'll try to go through relatively quickly, and then you'll be able to do a projection of any number out 30 years and see what your amount of money is based on a particular interest rate. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's just pick an arbitrary number, 100,000. We can change this later if we want. Let's go ahead and pick a 30-year time period. Then let's pick some percentages. Let's start with 9%. And then 12%. Then let's get in our future value function here. We'll use the rate and we'll go ahead and lock the cell. What we'll do is lock the column, but we won't lock the row. We'll get up here to the year. And what we'll do here is lock the row, but not the column. 0 for the payment. Present value is going to be here. And it's going to be the end of the period. And let's make this negative. And decrease the decimal points. So let's just go ahead and bring that down. Then copy all this. Go to the next cell, click Shift, go to the end, click Control V. Alt HOI. So now let's go ahead, go in here, highlight the entire thing, go to Insert Chart. See what recommended charts we have. We'll choose a couple of them. Let's add right here for the future value. We'll put this in blue. Just do every 3%, see what this does. So let's see what this does in terms of the amount of times our investment is from the present value to the future. Lock that cell, bring it down. Now let's go ahead and add these other percentages, 15, 18, 21, and 24. So again, we're going to highlight this, copy it, bring it down. We're going to go back over here, bring these down, widen that cell. Let's do a chart for the entire amount. Let's just do a simple one right here. Bring that over. So there you can see kind of what these amounts do. Really, the power of compound interest is substantial. Even on the 9% versus 12% example, you can see how much 3 percentage points increases. And then when you go out, out to 24, it's immense. So I just wanted to quickly show the power of compound interest. And basically, the target for the stock market is anywhere from 8 to 9%, I believe, depending on how far back you go and what time frame you use. But if you're in more risky investments per se, such as real estate or private equity, you may be able to get higher returns. Obviously, there's more risk, or even venture capital. There's higher returns, but even much more risk. So depending on your asset class, you can sometimes get higher than 9%. But I just wanted to quickly show how much the power of compound interest truly matters, and give you a way to extrapolate this out yourself. So lastly, $100,000 investment, which we have here, at 9% is ultimately going to get to 1.3 million in 30 years. It's going to get to 2.9 million at 12% in 30 years. It's going to get to 6.6 million at 15%, 14 million at 18% in 30 years, approximately 30.5 million at 21% in 30 years, and then 63.5 million approximately at 24%. So just 3 percentage points really goes a long way with compound interest, and obviously the time frame also matters as well. We can keep extrapolating this out, and this stuff only continues to go up exponentially. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video was informative. Hopefully it'll allow you to dive into Excel a little more with regards to time value of money. Thanks.